All right, so exciting news. My Burrow sofa has arrived. There was, I guess, some delivery issues this morning. It was supposed to arrive by 11:30. Then it said maybe not until 9. But they also were supposed to get my signature, which I've been home and kind of waiting and not leaving since I had to sign for it. Oh, she likes it. But nope, they just dropped them off. I was actually in the bathroom and my phone said that it was delivered. No knock or bell ring or anything. So let's get going. I think I have to open the arms first. Let's see how it comes together. All right, the arms box is open. We got some arms in here and a box of stuff. So let's see what's in it. All right, so they stayed open this arms box first. You can see why. They have the instructions, all the pieces to put the legs on. I think this has to do with the USB charger that's in the couch. So cool, getting ready to work. All right, so as per the instructions, I'm gonna start getting the seats open on top. It gives me the instructions, place the front of the box on the floor, slide the seat out, and then repeat for my 2 additional seats. Let's try it out. I'm just checking everything out, making sure it's safe for us. Good girl. All right, I got all my cushions and backrests ready to go. My 3 pieces on the ground, and I'm ready to do some connecting and hardware. On to the next step. All right, got the seats together, the arms together. Had a little bit of trouble with the arms, but seem to have got it worked out. So we're on to the next step. And I think legs, cushions, backrests, and done. Okay, so that issue before was just placement. Everything else is coming together really well. So, almost done. Have one more leg to do right here. And then I'm ready to set this up. Can't wait. Okay, we've got legs. Now, the next step before I pick it up has to do with this. So this actually leads up to the side of the couch where there is a power cord to charge devices, which is super cool. So I have to hook that up to this and then get it underneath here into the wall. And I'll be ready to go. All right, and done. Love the look, looks so modern, so nice. Don't mind the giant boxes in the background. And now it's time for the ottoman, and it is complete. So, see you back when we got an ottoman. All right, and we've got a couch and an ottoman. So now begins the cleanup and relaxing on this new couch. I'm already liking how it goes with the navy blue and my rug. And yeah, it fits my overall theme. All right, that's it for my review. I'll check back in a few months, tell you how I'm liking it.